What's up, guys? I'm Brendan. This is the Wheel in Hand channel, and today we're going to find out how much better I was able to make this truck look with just a quick wash. To say the truck was dirty when I got it off the trailer is a pretty big understatement. And it was absolutely covered in dirt, bumper to bumper. A really nice film on the whole body of the truck. You can really see it there through the window and at the end of the cab. I didn't have very high expectations for being able to get this dirt off the truck and being able to make the truck look good after the wash. I thought, surely underneath all this, the paint's just not in good shape. It was hard to tell, how the paint looked with all this dirt all over it. So I just didn't have high expectations at all for this. You can really see it there on the tire how much dirt there was. So let's take a look at the wash process and see how much of this dirt I can get off of there. After washing the truck off, it's like a whole new truck. I was able to get a lot more dirt off of this thing than I was expecting. Paint looks, it's a completely different color. Still got a long way to go. Obviously, there's body work, other little things that need to happen, but I feel like just the wash made it look like that much better of a truck than before washing it. Even the interior I was able to clean up pretty well just with a vacuum. There you go, guys. Huge transformation with just that quick wash. I'm really happy with how that turned out. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the before and after. And go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel. I should have a lot more coming out on this truck in the future. Love to have you along for the ride.